So the first step is to go to Play Store and search for Indonesian VPN. Indonesia VPN. So there are many Indonesian VPN here. Just choose one and download. So the next step is to go to the VPN. This is the VPN. Now open it. Then click here to select the VPN location. Then scroll down and select any free VPN location and select any of these. Now click here. Now the VPN is connected successfully. So make sure the VPN is well connected. So the next thing is to change the Facebook name after connecting the VPN. Now log into your Facebook account. Go to the menu bar and scroll down. Then click on Settings. Then click on Personal and Account Information. Then click on Edit. So you have to remove one of your name, either the first name or the last name. So let's remove this and click on Review Change. So the next thing is to enter your Facebook password. Then click on Save Changes. So as you can see, I've changed my Facebook name to single name. So this is it. This is how to change Facebook name to single name.